Lollipop.
Wet.
Hey man, I dodged too. Can I do that thing with you? I can't leapfrog, man. Wet.
Hit his ass hard!
Yeah, I know how to do things too.
Whoa!
What?
Take this, whore!
What? That was only two, I think, but okay. I just apparently lose the ability to kill. But no, that isn't even a real word. You're rude. You know that? You are an incredibly rude boy.
I never wear pants that tight.
Yeah, you just got told. Ow. Go around back. I'm not even like trying to dodge his attacks. I'm just that feel, buddy. Ready for the Hulkamania.
I'm stoked.
Yeah, no, Suda 51 doesn't really make that hard of bosses,
Think
thank
that hurts
goodness.
me? I just
Oh
teased
god,
a
he put
little.
himself back together. Let me run the fighters. Oh good, I have the fighters. These
Your
things,
mohawk looks like a
whatever it's
rooster
called,
thingamabob.
Waddle
My
beast.
mohawk, you Bobby-looking slut!
I'm not gonna eat your mohawk, you disgusting jerk.
I'm loving this shit!
Shut up.
I think you pissed your pants!
I'll punch your thing. You kidding
Your
me?
pain
Can I hit that back at him? Okay.
I'm gonna crush your fucking
Ow.
face!
How in the world do I hit you?
Speakers! Bitch! I can't wait to see you cry!
I don't understand what I'm doing right now. What are you doing?
Your pain is my art!
I've been so loyal to you, and you do this to me.
My mohawk, you dirty slut!
51, please. Give me this. Get him. Oh! How do you
Your
control me?
face gonna be on sweet
These speakers are
do-rag.
My face is gonna be what? Stanky.
Smash that speaker stand!
What speaker stand?
On the bollocks! Is your
Please show me a speaker stand because I don't see one. What does a speaker stand even look like?
I'm all about DIY!
Oh my god! Why? Why can't I just try to drop kick this shit?
Bitch! I can't
Hey,
wait
this
to see you
I hate it so much. Leave me alone.
fuck
I
that
just
shit
want to go to
up!
bed. I just want to quit. I just want to go to bed. What do you want me to do?
Your pain is my art!
I don't understand. I've done everything. And I keep getting hit now. It's pissing me off. Die!
Smash
What
that
do you
speaker
want from me?
Bobby looking
What
slut.
speaker stand? I'm getting so tired of you guys speaking to me. I don't even know what the heck you're talking about. What speaker stand? There's no speaker stand.
Dirty slut!
What is a speaker stand? I've never even heard of that. That's not a real word.
Fuck that
You're making
shit
it up.
I'm loving this
I don't know what
shit.
you're telling me to do, buddy. I really don't have a clue. I really don't have a clue.
Your face gonna be on sweet
That's not...
do-rag.
There's nothing... You gotta be kidding me. Do I have to jump on these?
I think you pissed your
I
pants!
don't understand. What am I doing wrong?
I'm loving this shit!
Please be nice. This is gonna be great. I'm gonna just...
Is my
What are you... What is a speaker stand? This one? This is getting me nowhere. I'm getting frustrated now.
Speakers!
There... I see the speakers. What do you want from me? These are amps, actually, I think. But
Bobby looking
okay.
slut!
You gotta be kidding me.
I'm gonna
There are speakers everywhere. They can't be keep summoning them. How am I supposed to stop them? Oh my god, give me a hint, please. Speaker sand is not a hint, by the way. I just want you to know that.
Speakers!
What?
You dirty I'm all about DIY!
I have dodged the speakers. Get him. Maybe he's summoning speakers when he's upset. Really, man?
Speakers!
Yeah, I get it. I think I'm pretty much just figured it out.
Bring it on!
That was so stupid. Yeah, let's. Oh, give me a lollipop, bitch. Oh, whoop your. Give me a lollipop, bitch. Cut that speaker. Are you gonna, like, do anything, or are you just gonna... What are you doing? Cut the speaker! Why did you say... Cut it. Keep cutting it. It's almost done. Oh, man.
Almost there.
Just wanted to know it.
Oh, that one actually hurt a little, bitch.
You gotta be kidding me. You're not dead yet. This boss. Thank goodness he didn't summon more speakers. Oh man, I'm actually getting him.
Eat my mohawk, you Barbie-looking slut!
What did you just call me?
Oh, this sucks.
That was getting messed up. Wasn't so much. Whoa! Wasn't so much gained. It was just really weak. Get out of my face! You gotta be kidding me.
He's trying to kill us? Whoa!
What was your first clue, Nick? That he was trying to kill us?
Eat my mohawk, you dirty slut!
I am getting tired of your insults, buddy. Yeah, you're hurt. You're hurt. I'm gonna kill you. What?
Fucking giant
What?
Bullshit!
Just roll through there and get you. Right down his face. Is this one hurting? Is this one hurting? Oh, that was a sweet victory. I tell you what, that was painful. That was like a Zed's dead, baby. Zed's dead. Wasn't that an achievement in Borderlands? Or was it Ned? I think that was an achievement. Either way, he's gone. Whew. Talk about a complete, making a complete fool of myself.
It really fucking hurts, man! Oh!
Jeez, so emo.
Emo? Whew. Wow, I did all of that before her lollipop. I really want a giant swirly lollipop now. What?
Juliet! You did it! Mr. Morikawa!
I was just getting on so hard.
One of the dark.
Oh man.
Yes.
Look at this.
Look at her boobs jiggle. They jiggle when she's not even moving. What's that all about? What?
Zed was only the weakest of the Dark Purveyors.
Well, duh, it's the first boss of the game.
But the
Why would he be the
other
strong
four
junkyard?
are here, rotting the school.
Get out of the junkyard.
By now
That's
they
5. Can you
probably
count? Oh, Zed was
transformed all
1.
your fellow students into undead. The school is
Who's at the
probably
junkyard?
filled with zombies.
Albanin Farm.
Sensei!
Mr. Morikawa. Juliet and Nick, I have faith. You can stop them. All humans must die.
Juliet.
As I must now too.
No, not the
No.
sushi chef.
Don't leave.
Oh, I have this for you, Juliet.
How did I know that was about that?
Happy birthday, Juliet. You were
Now, is he gonna
always
die
my
afterwards,
favorite
or?
pupil.
Sensei!
That was something. Whew. Vincent Brooks. Nightmare start. Love is over. I should do that. I should do Catherine. That game would certainly make me just lose my mind. Rage. It's like, ugh! Catherine, get up here! You slow woman. Ooh.
Oh my god! Thanks, Sensei! Chainsaw
What
Dash!
was that?
Now that's a sweet ride.
Chainsaw Dash. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh?
So, good. That was the level. What did I get on there?
Excellent.
Awesome!
Ooh, a beat. Perfect. Choose stage 1 in ranking mode. Chainsaw Dash in stage 2 in honors. Alright, guys. So that Julius room. Cool. So that's pretty much it for San Romero. Let's see what this is.
Don't lie.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna stick with the San Romero cheerleader. I just think it's truer to form. I like what he just said. So yeah, that was Lollipop Chainsaw. I will get back to this soon because this has been an incredibly fun game so far. How do I get out of here? Yes. So until next time, this has been Zine Zakuna, and I will see you. Hey, get out of here.
Let's go!